Good morning, everyone. Be greeted in our wonderful name of Jesus on this blessed Monday morning. And thank you very much that I can share a piece of soul food with you this morning. Have you ever wondered, why is it so important for Jesus that our yes should be yes and our no should be no? Let me explain it to you shortly. When you say, yes, I'm a Christian, yes, I love God, but when things get tough, then suddenly you say, no, I am not a child of God. No, I am not part of the kingdom because things are tough now. We can't do that, my brother and sister. Even so, if you say to one person, yes, I will help you, but then suddenly tomorrow you say, no, I don't want to. Or even if you say to one yes and to another no, we can't do that, my brother and sister, because what does that say of our words? You know, our words doesn't mean anything then. And then also, the standards we are following, we are not fair. And that's why Jesus says further on in verse 37 of Matthew 5, he says, anything more than that is from the enemy. He first says, let your yes, yes, and your no, no. But more than that, it's from the enemy. Why does it say that? Because when you say to one yes and to another no, you are bringing division, my brother and sister. And also, we can go a bit further. In Revelation 3 verse 15, we read how Jesus says, you are either warm or cold, but you cannot be lukewarm, because then I will spit you out of my mouth. That's harsh. But Jesus doesn't want, now you are warm, tomorrow you are cold. He doesn't want that. You're either warm or you're either cold. And that's also the same with yes and no. You either say yes to this one, and then you will say yes to others as well. Or you will say no, and you will stick to your no. That's why it's important for Jesus that we keep to our words and that our actions should follow what we say. I trust and believe that this word will break something open and that you will understand what Jesus means when he says either yes or no. May you have a wonderful day further, my brother and sister. Take care of yourself. And of course, if it's God's will, I'm serving again tomorrow a piece of soul food. Goodbye. Stay safe.